it up. Do you see the fucking cock in his leg and that roundabout then? I'm being funny, right? He's got the blue lights on, and I still drive the S4 faster than what he does.
What's happening?
Tell him what's happening.
Police.
That's what's happening.
South Wales Police is what's happening. We haven't got far, have we?
Oh.
Just to fill you in, because we haven't got a front-facing camera.
Oh, that's fucking filmed in. And don't say you don't put a dash cam in, because I got a dash cam right there. Now it's plugged in. What have you tell the people? What have you done to my dash cam?
I've unplugged it because it was in the way of this camera.
Now, if that was up, we would have had some footage,
We probably wouldn't, because the last dash camera you had didn't have a fucking card in it.
Well, this one doesn't have upgraded. Not only have I upgraded the van since the last dash cam, I've upgraded the dash cam and I put a memory card in it.
What are you shouting for?
I don't know, why are we shouting?
I don't know, like, but yeah, what you didn't see there was the police, 5-0 if you will, promos, were hammering over a smallish roundabout, and there was a Ford Cougar decided to turn left in front of them, blocking their path at the bit where an island is. So then the police car had to slam on his brakes. The Ford was like, well, I don't know, so just remained stopped. And then the police had to try and get around then. You've got to watch people, see? You've got to watch them, I know. What are you up to now, Bart?
Wifey.
Is it? Oh, that old woman.
My wifey.
Honestly, I thought you meant the old woman crossing the road.
No, I wasn't.
I was going to say, oh,
I wasn't waving and blowing kisses to the random old birds.
Dropped the standards here, I thought.
She would have cocked her leg over. Jesus.
Everybody's cocking their leg today. I'm pretty much the only person that's not cocking their leg, isn't it? Look at this two-tone
Look at him, he's cocked his leg on the bench. He's got a full wonky lean on.
I have a wonky lean gangster lean on in my car, innit? What's the purpose of this video then? We've had police that are shouting. Oh yeah, we're going to be filming a mini review of this van, because this van is different to the other van that we filmed a review of.
Still a van.
Van life.
Tell us that, homie.
Yeah.
Sorry, tell us that, bruh.
Cock a leg, bruh. Cock a leaky, cock a leg. So
Cock a leaky, that sounds like a soup.
It is, isn't it? Oh, it's got. Oh look, she's calling. Wifey.
What's going on, gorgeous?
Hello.
You okay?
Yeah, where you going then?
To the industrial estate to do a little transporter review.
Oh, alright then.
Yeah, you are now joining in our video because we're filming, so say hello to everyone on YouTube.
Oh my god. Goodbye.
Sapppning. Tell you what's happening. His missus is happening.
Say hello. You still there?
Hi.
Bye. No, why? Where you going?
I'm just on my way home.
That's alright. You next thing's not, what is it, 3? After 3, is it? Next one?
Yeah, 3, but I've just been to Sally's now to pick up some supplies.
Yeah, alright then, no worries then, darling. Well, yeah, whenever you finish, we get some shopping on the go, and yeah, have a nice chill night. Looking forward to it.
Oh, well, I was going to say, have you had lunch then?
No, we haven't eaten nothing.
Ah, I just been to the shop now and got some bread. I'm going to make some cheese on toast, I fancy.
Yeah, we are. Nice, sounds good.
I am. Alright then, well,
Yeah.
enjoy.
Alright, no worries, darling. Speak to you later.
Okay, bye.
Okay, love you, bye.
Love you too.
Bye,
Ta-ra.
bye, bye, bye.
Ta-ra.
Gonna marry that girl, I am.
Tell who's happening.
Cheese on toast, that's what's happening.
That is possibly the first time you've properly seen him on camera, a bit flustered and not entirely in control of what's going on. And you could see he was a bit like, yeah, alright, darling. Yeah. Tell who's happening, darling. Cheese on toast, sweetheart. That's what he meant to say, but no, he didn't, did he?
I behaved myself for the YouTube audience. Heated seats gotta go off, man. Fucking violin.
I didn't. I turned mine off before we left.
Jesus.
I'll
So,
be honest.
we've seen the wife now,
considering
we spoke
it's
to
your
them.
wife,
Yeah.
she sounds a lot more better spoken, a lot better, more better. She sounds better spoken.
Get your words out, man.
Punctuation and everything, innit? She
smart.
sounds better spoken than I would have expected you to be with a girl of. I'm so excited that he was like on the back foot then that I've got a little bit flustered myself.
She's quality. Quality. I'm a lucky boy. That's exactly where I am.
You punching her, innit?
She's she's gorgeous. She's got a lovely card as well for herself.
She's gorgeous. She's got a lovely car. These are the criteria for him to go out with someone, innit?
She's got her own business also. Loves all the same shit that I love. And we just get on. It's effortless, which I absolutely love.
She loves all the same shit you love. Does she love me too?
I don't have to, never mind it.
Here's an interesting one. I've never physically met her face to face.
Yes, you have.
No, I haven't.
You did.
No, she was in the house, but I was outside the house.
No,
She was
all
in
them
the
years
house.
back, the very first day I met you, when we went to film Urbex Life.
How am I meant to remember
You
that?
met her then.
But he's kept me away from her ever since. I think he's worried what I might tell her.
Nah, I'm gonna marry that girl, and you're all invited.
He's going to marry that girl to make it harder for that girl to get away. That's what he's doing.
Nah, she's wife. She's wife.
Whatever. Right.
What's this video regarding then? Because whatever we was gonna say is just literally we've had police interrupting us. The wifey's called us.
I don't know. I'll be honest, right? I think I'm going to write this one off as a bad experience and like start again, innit? So yeah, thanks for watching. I don't know what's happening. He don't know what's happening. You don't know what's happening. We're all in the same boat on this one, innit?
Ooh, forklift.
Ooh, forklift is right. Fuck me. Right. That's where we filmed the first A6 review.
A6.
And
Well,
yes, full-time trials,
I
innit?
can still never remember which garage we did the A6 at though.
I'd know it if we went past it.
Because I thought it was on the right, yeah, but I don't think it is.
It's on the right. It is. Is it this one? Yeah.
I think they've like changed it or something.
Because it had a gravelly sort of side, didn't it?
Yeah, well I thought
Was it?
Yeah, it was, but there, wasn't it? It was in there. It was tucked in there.
That was it. No, it wasn't.
Oh, it
That was
wasn't.
it.
No. I think they've knocked it down and built a new unit. Everything's new what's going on around
Well,
there.
thank you, Bridgend, for knocking down our original pioneering pilot filming location.
That's where it all started.
That's where it all started, is right. It's probably a bit further down, isn't it?
Probably missed it.
Yeah.
Well, they've put a fence up or someone's done something.
I reckon nothing's changed and we've just missed it.
Something's going on. Something's always going on.
Got to be watching what's going on. Anyway, something is going on. There's another video coming up. Whatever the next video you watch is, and I don't yet know what it is, it's going to be something that makes a hell of a lot more sense than this one, isn't it?
Yeah, we apologise.
Yeah, sorry about that.
We don't apologise.
No, we
It
don't.
is what it is.
It is what it is. Thanks for watching. Ooh, covered number plate driving round. What's the other game, innit? Ooh.
Stolen car.
Oh. Anyway, thank you again. Cheers now. All the best. Sub up, share up, drop a comment,
What do you
drop
say?
a dime, drop your knickers, drop it like it's hot. Ta-ra now.
Whoosh. Oh, we're flustered.